So guys, for the first method, you're going to head up with search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on N on your keyboard. And now we're going to find NVIDIA Display Container. Here it is. You're going to double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you're going to click on restart. I'm not going to do it myself because it's going to mess up my recording. But in your case, you want to click on restart. You want to restart the NVIDIA Display Container LS service. See if that fixes the problem. If that's still not working, then for the next method, we're going to uninstall and then reinstall the NVIDIA Control Panel. So we're going to head up with search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, we're going to scroll down till we find NVIDIA Control Panel. Here it is. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. And now after you uninstall the NVIDIA Control Panel, you're going to head over to search again and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on it. And now you just want to reinstall it again, and then this should now fix your problem.